This is Black Myth Wukong Kai 15-minute gameplay trailer. Now I have already beaten the Black Myth Wukong game and I loved it. It was one of the best game ever made. Probably game of the year. It was game of the year for me, Alright, let us see what this is all about. Game science. Now they say this game has something to do with Black Myth Wukong. Maybe it's like another extension or like something like that. Let's see what it is. We get cockroaches on the first scene. I mean, it was a beetle, right? This is the healing thing. Who is this guy? Is he like the one that had an affair with that bull's wife? Is this that guy? I don't know his name. He looks like that guy, doesn't he? Okay. A turtle fell. See, here is the thing. See, you see stuff like this. You see how the rock falling down looks so realistic? Like, you can say just by this the game will have awesome physics. See, when you tend to pay small attention to details like this, I'm pretty much sure that you'll make a good product, Let's see the gameplay. Oh, okay. Let's see. Wow. Look how trees are falling. It looks so realistic. Is this like a survival simulator? What is it? Good luck surviving that, man. Wow, man, look at the graphics. Is this PS5? Come on. Can PS5 look this good? This literally looked like this looks like an movie, Wow. Okay. I hate multiple enemies, man. What? Wait. Look at the rocks. More important is that they are literally showing the blood, I mean, come on. People are like, oh, I don't like to see blood in games. I mean, that is crazy, man. If I don't see blood in a sword game, I don't know what I'm playing. Wow, did he just cut off his arm? Or was that something else? This feels a lot realistic. Wow. Damn, that is a one big guy. That is such a cool way to apply fire. Like, see, so far this looks good, but I don't know how it will feel when you actually play it. Like, I have recently completed, what was that game? The first Berserker Kazan, and the combat in that doesn't look realistic, but it feels so good. Like, it has the best combat ever. You know? But from Blackmoor Wukong, I can say that this will be a good game. You know? I feel like even if the combat isn't that good, which I think it would be better, you know, then too it will be a good game. Wow, okay. Combat is good, I mean, come on. Killing the dogs is like so satisfying somehow. You know, these dogs, what is up with the dogs in the Souls game? Like, come on, dude. Like, why are they so annoying? I still remember how the dogs were in Dark Souls 3. I mean, they literally teared me apart, man. This guy, you know, these Asian guys love the dogs and be able to kill the dog. You know, like I'm not. That just happened in game, okay? That just happened in game. The only thing that they don't show is to cook the dog. Oh, damn. This will get demonetized. Damn it, man. But that was cool. That was cool. Do that again. Burn someone. Do that again. Yeah. Okay, burn them. Burn them. What is that? What is that? Is the cloth fighting on its own? What is that? It is looking like leaves. What is that? I still don't get it. Oh, this is going to be a boss battle. Isn't it? Wow. Look at the water. This looks so realistic, man. Okay. What are even these things? See, one thing, you know, these games could have improved is when you kill somebody, just let the dead body stay there. You know, like it would be so fun. You know, like I get it, it will be a bit more demanding on the graphics, but let them just stay there. It will actually make clearing the mob more satisfying. Imagine you go down into a fortress and like you literally kill 30 guys and they are piled up. You know, like that would look so satisfying. Like that would actually make me want to do it. Other than that, those enemies are just annoying. What is this thing, man? Is this leaves? Oh, it is like that talisman thing, you know? Like they have, like seal kind of talisman. Okay. Wow, look at the water. I sometimes I'm forgetting that I'm watching a game. To be honest, you know, this looks like an animation movie. Wow. Oh, damn, that is scary. That was scary, man. When he came out, it was a lot scarier. Okay, so this is a boss battle. He's ripping off the shells. Okay. Was that a parry? Yeah, I feel like it was. Ooh. Okay. Fatality. Damn. Okay, I don't know what. How? Wait a minute. I have to see what he does here. All right. He comes. Oh, okay. Like, have you seen one of those stories that the guys were actually tall in the past? Like, they were like, you know, they were like literally giants. They were like 7-8 feet tall. Okay, that is a summon. That is definitely a summon. You know, there are a lot of people that hated using spirits in the gameplay, like using summon in the gameplay. I bet a lot of them did use the summon in Black Myth Wukong because it was just so cool, you know, how could you not do it? Man, this fight is going way longer than I thought. It shouldn't look like a bit longer fight because this looks like a normal mini boss, you know. Okay, what is that thing? It is staggering them, alright. So this guy has the ability to enhance the sword, like there has to be some kind of skill for that. I don't know if that consumes mana or not. Maybe like fire enhancer and lightning enhancers. Okay, but he became that guy. Wow, this is cool. This is cool. I thought that this would be a lot less flashier than Black Myth Wukong because you know, like this is a normal guy, but they still managed to add some spice in it, you know. Okay. Maybe they will give bosses a lot difficult than Black Myth Wukong. My only complaint about that game is the bosses were not as good as they could have been, you know. Like some of the bosses were really good, but some of them were really a bit more gimmicky, like, you know. Like for example, that lightning fat guy that was there. I hated that guy. Like all you had to do was run around. Maybe they will improve the bosses in this game. Oh, damn. Is this a horror game? This is almost the second jump scare I had. Yeah, drown that guy. Oh wow, what is this guy? This seems more like a interactive type of a game than Black Myth Wukong was ever. You know, this seems like more of there will be a lot of guys in the story. this doesn't seem like a soul game to me. But you know, I would definitely play it. As long the game has swords and amazing bosses that are difficult, I would play them. And even if the games are good, I will play it, you know. It is not like a sword thing. What? Okay. Damn. The combat is going to be a lot realistic and crazy, man. I can feel it. Wow. Look at that swordplay. Like this swordplay was probably better than the Star Wars movies have, you know? Like have you seen one of those memes where they compare literally two normal fans fighting with the swords are way better than the actual movie. It was crazy. Zhong Black Myth Kui. Okay. Zhong Kui. Right, this doesn't seem related to Black Myth Wukong, but it does seem like a good game to play. I would definitely play this. I would play this. The only question is, will it come on PC? Of course, PlayStation wouldn't mention it. Let me know, will it come on PC or not? I feel like it will because Black Myth Wukong came on PC.